Dear students, today we are going to start our second chapter, that is sport and nutrition, in our physical education portion. Sport and nutrition, these two things are interlinked with each other. How? That we are going to discuss. As you know that food is the basic requirement of every individual to fulfill the energy needs and to meet the development of the body. The food which we take or eat is known as a diet. The energetic food in our diet consists of various types of essential chemicals for our body termed as nutrients. Thus, the science which deals with the nutritious diet and its importance for the individual is known as nutrition. Nutrition is very important for those who, actually for everyone, but especially for those who are involved in the physical activities. Without proper nutrition, no one can develop or excel in their particular field. So we are going to discuss about these things, and nutrition always comes with a balanced diet. So we will discuss what is balanced diet. Balanced diet, whatever food we take is known as diet, and if it contains all types of nutrients and minerals and vitamins, this is known as balanced diet. There are some factors of balanced diet. We'll discuss about this. First of all, the definition of balanced diet is it is the diet which contains all nutrients, micro and macro, that we'll discuss further, like carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, etc. in correct proportion for efficient working of the body. Balanced diet can be divided into three main parts. First one is energy yielding food. It generally consists of carbohydrates and fat, which are also known as macronutrients. This food helps to provide energy to individual for his workout or activities. The carbohydrates should be 60 to 70% in our diet, whereas majority of carbohydrates should be complex carbohydrates. The fat contents should not exceed 5 to 10% in our diet. Carbohydrates are easy and good source of energy, whereas fats are difficult to digest and hence difficult to get energy from it. Thus, fats should be less in our diet, 5 to 10%, and there should be more carbohydrates, 60 to 70% in our diet. Moreover, they cause the chances of overweight, obesity, and heart disease. Therefore, also we have to take less amount of fat in our diet. Second main part of our balanced diet is bodybuilding food. It consists of proteins. It helps the growth and development of body. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues. It provides faster recovery from injury. And there should be 15 to 20% of protein in our diet. Along with these things, we should also have to consume some defensive food. Defensive or protective food is very essential for our body. They protect us from various kind of diseases, and it consists of vitamins, minerals, and water. And together, all these things are called as micronutrients. This food help in proper functioning and defense of various organs. The diet contains defensive food, improve the immune system of the body. Does it help to defend against infections, germs, diseases, etc.? This food should be 15 to 20% in our daily diet. Apart from this, one should drink 3 to 5 liters of water to drain out the wastage of within our body. So we have to consume at least 3 to 5 liters of water to maintain water balance of the body and keep our body healthy. So these were the parts of the balanced diet that we have discussed. Once more, I will recall it for you. Balanced diet contain all type of nutrients in a proper amount, and it is having three main parts. First one is energy yielding as carbohydrates and fats. Second one is bodybuilding food as proteins, and third one is the defensive food as vitamins and minerals, and along with that we should consume daily 3 to 5 liters of water. So that's all for today. Hope you all have understood. Today's assignment is you have to study about the different components of food which you intake every day. Whatever food you are having every day, try to find out the percentage of carbohydrates, proteins, how much you're consuming every day, and match it whether it is matching with the ideal chart or not. So try to find it by yourself. So that is the assignment for you today. That's all. Thank you. Have a great time. Enjoy, and have good food and exercise every day. Thank you everyone.